Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can blow bubbles on Dress to Impress. You will need 3 items and you'll need this seashell crown. Grab the microphone and color it to whatever color you want. Position the X to 0.71, Y 0.51, Z 0.4, rotate the Y to 0.56. Then grab these round earrings over here, color it to whatever color you want. Position the X to 0.49, Y 0.46, Z 0.48. Rotate the Y to 0.6 and scale it to 0.55. Then you're going to want to grab the seashell crown in just whatever color. Position the X to 0.52, Y 0.53, Z 0.54, rotate the Y to 0.58, Z 0.33, and scale it all the way down to 0. And you have your bubble wand on Dress to Impress. Super easy, super cute, but I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.